Bafethu, it's a road trip to Jozi from a show. Come with me, Bafethu. Asambe segoli. If you are saying this, you are not singing for this for a mistake. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.
So Bafethu, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Susu Anchiane, aka Maluwa Mashana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go. I would like to thank everyone who already subscribed to my YouTube channel, aka Abashana Community. If you are new, please subscribe and like, comment, and share. Don't pass this vlog, please. In the community of Abashana, no Malume, you don't get offended if I say or if I call you Mshana. Even if you are older than me or you are younger than me, don't get offended. This is my community. This is our community of Abashana, no Malume. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Then you pass it. Fly head, here we come. We have fly head, my. Oh, I see. Awamazi yabo niyaliswatile ukuthi akazokuthini junction. Fly junction, let's go. Beke bo Newcastle ke manje. All the way from Ishowe to Joburg. Goli, here we come.
Uba wakhe lemizi lapha Efrahendi. Bembuza lo mbuzo uba wakhe lapha. Uba lapho wakhe lapha.
Full cross way we come. Sibheke eMpumalanga ke manje. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Road trip to Jozi. Say forecast manje. Forecast manje siyangihamba thina. Sure Bafethu, right now say forecast. If you know forecast, it's at Mpumalanga. So guys, please subscribe. We are halfway through to Jozi with the EcoSports, the one and only EcoSports. Hey twin, there's my twin. Wow, it's my twin, there's my twin. We're twinning. Hey Mpumalanga, how are you? With my sister in Mpumalanga, going to Egoli. Hey Goli, we're coming to show. Right now I'm looking for bread so that you can eat with KFC, and then I'll be looking for something to drink here. We are at Engine right now, and then we're gonna be refilling, and then we're just moving from there to home, to Jozi, guys. So guys, I'm trying that vlog for you, guys. Please subscribe, please subscribe. We're cooking. Standard thing. That's like 20 minutes. From Newcastle. Full class. Yabo lapha phezulu khona ukuthi home. From a full class nje. Tani full class home.
Hey, once you pass forecast to Standard 10, the road was nice and clear, less potholes. Yo, I was cooking like, it felt like I was moving like 20 minutes or 15 minutes, 10 minutes to Standard 10. So here, guys, we were like passing by Standard 10 to Jozi, man. Like when you like, once you pass Standard 10, you're going straight to the entry. I man, we're cooking here, guys, and enjoying the music behind here. I can't play it because it's gonna be like copyrighted by YouTube, guys. But it was one of the greatest trip there. One of the
Sure, I feel too. Sure bafethu sesifikile eGoli. Asikafiki exactly but like sisingenile entry. Sike entry manje to Johannesburg. Do you hear me? Yeah, man. It's been a great journey. Thanks God for having us this long. Thank you. Sesifikile. Kwandonga ziyaduma. Kwanyama kayipheli. Phela amazinyo endoda. Awusuka madoda kodwa ngeke aphele la. La anamkhohlwa. Sihlezi khona enyameni.
City 89 manje.
Xobale. Egoli.